once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Point Blank crew. You already know what it do. Just got the order in, and it is carbon fiber pieces for the interior of my Camaro. And yeah, I'm just gonna basically be showing y'all how to install it, the best ways, you know, to get it to stick a whole lot better, because it does have the 3M tape on the back of it. And sometimes, you know, that stuff doesn't really like to stick. And if you are new to this channel, I'm gonna need y'all to do me a quick favor real quick. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, comment what more you want to see, and then press that notification bell. Let's hop right into it, man. All right, guys, so basically what we're gonna be doing is, firstly, we need to wipe down everything that we're gonna be attaching the pieces to with some isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, just to get all the grease and grime and dirt, you know, off of it. So, you know, the 3M tape, the double-sided tape, doesn't stick to anything that's not the surface that you're trying to stick it on. All right, guys, so the first one that I'm gonna be doing today is these vents right here. And basically this is the package that they all come in. They all come in this gray type film package. Let's just hop right into it, man. We're just gonna try to put these on there real quick. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a paper towel. Then you're gonna wanna put some isopropyl alcohol onto the paper towel and then wipe it all over that thoroughly. You're gonna make sure you get all over it, because you don't want any of the tape sticking to anything that is not the surface of what you're trying to stick the carbon fiber to. You just wanna take some scissors and I guess just cut that off so you can like take them out. I tried to pull them off, but it didn't really work out too well. So we're just gonna put this on here. If it doesn't stick, my best advice is to use some Gorilla Super Glue. Yep, I went to Lowe's because I had problems with some of this stuff sticking in the past, and I didn't want it to happen again. So basically what I did is I went to Lowe's and I just asked someone, hey, what's the best adhesive glue to make 3M tape stick better? And they told me that that was basically the best one that they had, and I didn't know which one to get, that or the Flex Seal. But yep, you just want to line everything up perfectly. And make sure you want to push it down, put a lot of pressure on it whenever you do have it on there. Because like I said, this stuff does like to not stick. You just want to make sure you go all around it like that. Yep, and then there we go. That's the bottom part of the vent, of the first vent right there. That's the bottom part. And now let's move on to the second part, to the top one. That was pretty simple. You just want to try to pull this tape off as carefully as you can, because it does have some red little tape on the back of it. So you just want to pull that off very carefully and make sure you don't get any of the actual sticky parts off with it, because it will mess you up if you do. Because then it won't be even, and then you'll get air bubbles and it just won't stick. And then, you know, you'd have to use some Gorilla Glue with that. So you just want to take that off of there, and then we're going to do the same thing that we did to the top. You just want to put that on there, and then there goes the top part. And that's actually looking really good. I'm actually happy that I actually got this. Yeah, that's actually coming out really good. I really like that. It adds a certain like pop to the interior. I believe carbon fiber, if you have a 2011 Camaro, I believe it just completely transforms the interior of your car. All right, so we got the second piece off of this. It also comes with the little side pieces that come with that come on the vents, and that's actually looking really good. Just gonna leave that at that. I believe I am gonna have to put some super glue with these small pieces, because I feel like these small pieces are gonna be most prone to not like wanting to stick. So now we're gonna put the next one on. We're gonna put the next one on this other side little piece right over here. You just wanna do the same thing like we did with the other ones. You just wanna apply a good amount of pressure to each and every single one of these, you know, just to make sure you get the maximum stick out of the 3M tape. And that is looking really good. I'm actually really happy with that. It actually looks really good. As far as how long it'll stick, I don't know. We'll figure that one out. And if it does, then we'll just put some of this Gorilla Super Glue on it, and it should help it stick a whole lot better. So that is the first vent, guys and girls. We don't judge over here. All right, guys, so the next thing that we're gonna do is this defroster. This is the driver's side defroster. We're gonna do that next, and we're just gonna repeat the step from all the other ones. We're just gonna cut the top off of this. See, there's 2 of them in this packet. Take one of them out, grab you a paper towel, put you some isopropyl alcohol on it. You just wanna wipe it thoroughly. Make sure you get all, because their dust does like to collect up in here. So you just want to make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies. Okay, and then you just want to peel this 3M tape. This one may be a little more challenging than the other ones just because it's a smaller piece. There we go. It's right there. Hopefully this piece sticks good. I'm praying it does, because I really don't want to put super glue on this part. So make sure you work from left to right or right to left. Choose whichever side to go first, because if you don't, you will create some air bubbles if you just start off in the middle. So we're just going to push. Put as much pressure in each little spot as we can. And then there we go. That's the carbon fiber defroster piece. And guys, this is real carbon fiber. It's just covered in resin, and it's kind of like a rubberized resin, so it'll flex with the carbon fiber. And that's that piece right there. It looks pretty good. I'm actually happy about it. It looks really good. I like it. Let's hop right into the next one. All right, guys, so the next one that we are gonna do is we're gonna do this little trim piece right around here. We're gonna do exactly what we did with the first one. We're just gonna take some scissors, cut off the top right here. That way we got easy access. Just take that right out. Look at that.
It's a gift.
All right. So preferably a paper towel, some isopropyl alcohol. I know mine is green. It has like a scent to it, but it gets the job done. All right. So then you just want to thoroughly wipe all around the area that you're going to be sticking it to. You just want to get a thorough wipe, because if you don't get a thorough wipe, the littlest nooks and crannies will start unsticking. And whenever that starts unsticking, you might as well say all of it's going to unstick. All right, so here goes the piece. We're going to put it on just like that. So let's hop right into it. Oh, this one, I might be getting this one off a little bit faster than I did the last one, thank God. All right. See that? There we go, just like that. That was a whole lot faster than the last one. The last one, oh my God, it took forever. All right, so we're just gonna make sure it sticks all the way around. Like I said, you just wanna make sure you get every little nook and cranny. And I honestly know for a fact this part isn't gonna stick. And that's actually not a bad thing. Just so I can show y'all what we're gonna do. Oh, don't mess it up. All right. So, using the super glue. Basically what you wanna do is I'm just gonna put a little dab right there. Little drop right there. Little drop right there. Little drop right here. Little drop right here. And then right here. And you know, why not? Let's do it at the top. The more the better. Okay, so, and you want to do a little drop for every like square inch. That's how good this stuff is. And you got to put it on pretty fast because it does dry very quickly. And on the box that it comes in, it does say, and you can do this, I don't know how good it works because I've never done it, but you can do this. And it says blow it with a heat gun, or you know, a hair dryer is decently good. Blow it with a heat gun or a hair dryer before installation, and that what that does is it basically loosens up all the adhesives to where whenever it dries up, it creates that bond with whatever surface it's sticking on. I don't know if this part's going to stick really good just because of how intricate everything is and how poorly cut out this part actually is. It's, to be honest, it's not cut out good at all to fit with it really good. I mean, it's decent to where you know what place it is, but there's just all kinds of like little bumps and edges within it. So yeah, that's that piece right there. I'm not very happy with that, you know, but I may end up taking it off eventually because I'm not really a big fan of how that's really looking on it. All right guys, and trust me, I would love to show each and every single one of you each one of these pieces going on the car, but the video is going to be about 30 minutes long if I do that, and I don't want to do that to you guys. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to put all the pieces on, and then I'm just going to show you the after effect. And guys, keep in mind, although these carbon fiber pieces are specifically for a 2010 to a 2011 Camaro, you can take the same precautions and the same steps for your car at home. So although this video is featuring a 2011 Camaro, you can put these pieces on a Mustang. If you order the right pieces, you can put the pieces on a Mustang. This is just to show you guys how to do it and better steps on how to make everything stick better. So on all the pieces, at least that I've put the super glue on, they're sticking really good. And I've already put some carbon fiber pieces on beforehand from a couple weeks ago, and they're actually starting to come off because I didn't have this Gorilla super glue. The glue is about $14, but it's really worth it. I promise you it is. It'll make everything stick for as long as you want it, until you want to take it off. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna stop it right here and let you see the ending whenever I get done. And guys, this is the finished product of the carbon fiber pieces that I put inside the Camaro. And this is the dash kit right here, and it looks absolutely phenomenal in my opinion. In my opinion, it looks just great. And like I was saying, it pops whenever the sun hits it or any light hits it in a certain direction, a certain angle. But yeah, in my opinion, it just looks great. It just looks awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as I've enjoyed creating it. What's up guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. All the carbon fiber pieces that went into this interior just made it look absolutely stunning. It makes it pop. I highly suggest, if you're looking at upgrading your interior in some fashion, go with carbon fiber. I think it looks awesome whenever the sun hits it at a certain angle. It just looks great, and it's really easy to install. If some pieces are coming off, I mean, you can literally just put some super glue on it. That Gorilla Glue, it really works really good. You can just put some of that on it and you shouldn't have any problems after that. And it should stay on there for, just as long as you want it to. If you enjoyed watching this video, then like, subscribe, comment down below more that you want to see. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a very exciting video.
Me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much.